Gwikinyia kwa arugamiriri aria marathurirwo, urugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa wendia wa macani rwa KTDA kaunti-ini ya Meru wabici-ini ciao niguo gutumurite ndugamano thutha wa kugeria kuingira wabici-ini ici kia hinya.
They stormed in our factories and started making orders and actually harassing the employees, and they clearly understand the importance of these factories to be running throughout.
Nigeria riria rironeka gukorwo rirathugunditwo kwa ihinda rikirikana gutigirira arugamiriri aria mariho manyitanira kugitira iturwa ciao riu makiuga igeria riri ni mugaru na watho kuona kuri na cira uhanditwo igoti-ini iguru rigi utongoria wa KTDA.
They came in the factories claiming to be the directors, and everyone and even the farmers clearly know that they were ousted because of their poor performance.
According to the mandate that the shareholders are given by the Companies Act and the Memorandum and Articles of Association. So we are not in office illegally. We are in office because we have been mandated by the farmers to run the affairs of the factories.
Ningi arugamiriri ano mahoete kuheo gitiri ni ruhonge rwa borithi riu makiuga maraikara na haho ya gutharikirwo ndagika o yothe.
I want to tell them that the official document that identifies who and director is the CR12. If you look at the CR12, the names that are appearing there are our names.
Arugamiriri ano moretia ng'ethaniri yao gwetikira ni mahotirwo ithurano-ini cia ithei iria ciatabanirio mwaka muhituku thutha wa watho uria warutitwo ni ministry ya urimi.
Because basically what they are doing, they are taking the law into their hands and they just want to create anarchy in the factories, and which will be to the detriment of the farmers.
Ningi urugamiriri wa KTDA ni ugwetete ati ndugamano ta ici iri na hoti wa guthingithia thogora ya KTDA iria ririkana gukorwo ihandite wega ihinda-ini riri.
If you look at last year's payment, it was a serious improvement from where we were, from the trend that we were observing with the former directors. The tea earnings were actually going down every year, but now we are actually improving those earnings for the farmers.
Hadini ya Kameme TV, ndio turakoni Bataru wa Mwagi.